Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious nachos using San Marino tuna. First, drain 1 can of San Marino tuna and set it aside. Next, finely chop 1/4 of an onion and 1/2 of a bell pepper. These fresh ingredients will add a wonderful crunch and flavor to your nachos. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your chips will be perfectly crispy and your cheese will melt beautifully. Now it's time to build your nacho masterpiece. Start by spreading about 6 ounces of your favorite tortilla chips in a single layer on a baking sheet. This creates a sturdy base for all your toppings. Next, evenly distribute the drained San Marino tuna over the chips. Then, sprinkle the chopped onion and bell pepper across the tuna layer, ensuring every bite gets a burst of fresh flavor. Once your layers are set, generously cover the entire dish with about 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese. This will create that irresistible gooey texture. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Carefully remove from the oven and garnish with 2 tablespoons of sliced jalapenos and a dollop of sour cream for extra zest. Your San Marino tuna nachos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately to experience the perfect combination of crispy chips, savory tuna, and melted cheese. For those who love a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can elevate the flavors even further. These nachos are a fantastic, easy meal or snack. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen clean after this delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.